हमारी जो आज की सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट है एक टेलीविज़न की और मॉडलिंग इंडस्ट्री की बहुत ही सीनियर अदाकारा हैं, बहुत सालों से काम कर रही हैं। अब उनकी उम्र बहुत बढ़ चुकी है, इसलिए उन्होंने सोचा है कि रिटायरमेंट का ऐलान कर दें। मैं बिल्कुल बकवास कर रहा हूँ। मेरे साथ है तुबा। हेलो तुबा, हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine, Asfar. How are you? What an introduction! I love it.
तुबा, लेकिन जिस पेस से माशाल्लाह यू आर वर्किंग, ये चीज़ तो ऑफकोर्स कोई 20-40 साल बाद लोग यही कह रहे होंगे यार। तो मैंने कहा सबसे पहले तुम अगर कभी इंटरव्यू दो 50 साल बाद कि ये सबसे पहले एस्पर निकाल
बस तुम मुझे फौरन से बुड्ढा कर दो. That's what you're trying to do. Okay, fine.
नॉट एट ऑल। लेकिन तुम सबसे पहले ये बताओ, व्हाट्स कीपिंग यू बिजी दीस डेज? आजकल क्या हो रहा है?
Asfar, I'm doing a lot of serials. I think I should cut it down, take a vacation, go abroad because it's really hot in the summers in Pakistan.
Yeah.
But eventually Lux is happening very soon. So let's see, we're all going there, and then a lot of other serials coming up abroad basically. So I'm just doing a lot of acting.
ट्रैवलिंग एंड एक्टिंग
and acting.
तो भाई एक चीज़ काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोग ये समझते हैं कि एक तो सबसे पहले कि लक्स स्टाइल अवार्ड्स की हम लोग बात करते हैं बिकॉज तुमने टॉपिक छेड़ दिया।
अच्छा,
मोस्ट
गलती हो गई। नहीं, ओके।
मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर लाइक कि लक्स स्टाइल अवार्ड्स की ज्यूरी ये होती है, वो होती है, फलाना जो भी है। लेकिन जब आपको मिल जाता है तो इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर कि यार यू हैव टू प्रूव योरसेल्फ दैट वेरी ईयर कि यार अब आपको द अवार्ड, चलो जो भी है यार, हमारी है तो द मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड है।
Yeah, I'll talk about that because I think when I got the award last year, the whole press went against me for some odd reason because ईमान बेचारी बन गई और मैं तो सबसे ज़्यादा बुरी बन गई।
तुम्हें एक चीज़ ये है कि काफ़ी सारे लोग जो है ना वो ये कह रहे थे कि ईमान डिजर्व्ड इट। ठीक है ना? What do you think? Do you think she deserved it?
Actually, I think she deserved it in all those years when she worked. She's a beautiful model and she deserved the award. But I guess कि अगर उसे 4-5 साल से नॉमिनेट कर रहे हैं और नहीं दिया, और अगर गलती से इस दफ़ा मुझे मिल गया तो मेरी जान तो छोड़ दो। मैंने पैसे दिए जूरी को कि मेरे पीछे आके वो लोग मुझे अवार्ड देंगे। It was their choice. I didn't have anything to do with it.
तो एक चीज़ मुझे बताओ कि masses को to capture the masses you have to do lots of commercial work. काफ़ी ज़्यादा कमा। And when you do commercial work, you're not termed as the good actor or as the good model. How do you keep a balance? क्या करते हो?
Well, there's a lot of commercial work happening, and there's a lot of arty-farty things happening on the side. So we kind of do both. As in commercial के लिए आप फ़हीम बरनी के साथ काम करें, खूबसूरत लगे, ग्लैमर लगे, and you look really nice. And Fahim, I love Fahim. I love working with Fahim. He is one of my favorite directors now.
Same
because
here,
I worked with him in the serial which you're in as well.
Yeah.
And I love him. It's a vacation on the set. So I love working.
And one thing with Fahim is that एक तो 2-3 चीज़ों पे आप इतना confident होते हैं कि भाई he is taking care of stuff, not us.
Yeah.
We are just there having a good time.
And I like the fact that he admits कि मुझे commercial काम करने का शौक है, मुझे नहीं बनना आर्टी फार्टी, या मुझे नहीं, बहुत सारे और लोग हैं जो कर रहे हैं, तो let them do it. Let me be the commercial man and let me make big films.
लेकिन तुम्हें मुझे एक बात बताओ, हम काफ़ी सारे लोग जो हैं, बहुत सारे एक्टर्स, आई एम नॉट वन ऑफ देम, काफ़ी सारे हम लोग ये कह रहे होते हैं कि वो हर ड्रामे में डिजन एट द एंड सारे वो कर रहे हो। Everybody is doing it. So why these double standards?
I don't know. I think people.
Is it because of peer pressure?
I guess so, because या तो आप लोग Star Plus देखना बंद कर दें, या तो ना ही चलाते Star Plus, because I tell you, whenever I go to India, वहाँ पे देखते कि हमारे पुराने ड्रामे बहुत देखे जाते थे, तन्हाइयाँ, धूप किनारे, and all these plays अभी तक, और वो लोग इतने बड़े फैन, they're all fans of Marina Khan, शनाज शेख, राहत काज़मी, and all these guys. अब हम उनको कॉपी कर रहे हैं, हालांकि उन्होंने हमारी मौला जट से कॉपी करना शुरू किया है, basically on the डिशम you're talking about, like, so I guess अब वही एक स्टाइल आ गया है।
जब हम बात करते हैं शनाज शेख की या हसीना मोइन की, ये सारा कुछ है, ये वो लड़कियां थी जिनका कोई स्क्रीन इमेज था नहीं, ठीक है, ये एकदम से आई, इन्होंने विद इन वेरी शॉर्ट स्पैन अपना एक इमेज बनाया और वो इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग था कि लोग आज तक फॉलो करते हैं। व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट यू और ईमान और एनी ऑफ द मॉडल्स, लाइक ग्लैमर डॉल, इतने बड़े बाल, आर यू गेटिंग मी, इतने बड़े होठ, ये सारी चीज़ एकदम से सामने आ जाती है। इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू ब्रेक अवे फ्रॉम दैट इमेज। व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू अबाउट इट?
Well, I guess shoot without makeup.
Oh, come
and see the real beauty inside us. I guess that's what, for one thing, to start with. And secondly, I guess show your performances in different plays. I guess.
लेकिन तुम्हें एक चीज़, of course, I think you would agree. एक मुझे चलो इसको भी रहने दो, एक बात मुझे बताओ, कभी किसी और के कमेंट से तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस शैटर हुआ या थोड़ा सा डामाडोल
होता है? I would say that it's कभी-कभी कुछ लोग ऐसी बातें बोल देते हैं जो वो खुद भी करते हैं लेकिन अगलों को बोलना आसान होता है. So I guess if someone said something and I'll take it
with a pinch of salt.
Yeah, exactly. So I'll be like, अच्छा, ठीक है. But then obviously I'll go home and I'll think about it and I'll be like, okay, fine. I'll see you later. That kind of approach. But yeah.
लेकिन तुबा apparently you know like I've known you for quite a long time. मैंने अपना पहला कमर्शियल तुबा के साथ किया था जब मैं 4 साल का था.
अच्छा है ना, बिल्कुल बाकी है ना, उस पर तुम बड़े झूठे हो, मैंने देख लिया. Right.
नहीं मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. बात कहने की ये तुबा, लेकिन you know you are like a go getter. You've got this energy in you. ये वो सारे को लगता नहीं कि कोई तुम्हारे confidence को या you know putting you down could be quite a task for a lot of women around, you know, in the business only.
Because I think I'm very ambitious. मुझे जो चीज़ चाहिए होती है, I'll go there, I'll get it. I don't care कि मेरे साथ backing किसकी है या क्या है. I'm just gonna go and get it.
Tuma, tell me one thing honestly, have you ever been bad to people?
I try not to.
Oh my God, what an honest reply. The model of the year, Tuba Siddiqui. Whoa, yay. How did your family react to the supermodel status?
My mother was quite happy. She's always happy, but she knows how to put me on ground as well. And so does my brother.
Tuba, what was your award acceptance speech? I thank
God.
everybody.
You know, that was quite a controversial speech because I think कि मैंने शायद बहुत सारे नाम ऐसे नहीं लिए जो मुझे लेने चाहिए थे, but I actually thanked and I said that I would like to thank all the designers, photographers and
मेरा
makeup
नाम नहीं लिया
artists.
तुमने यार.
है ना, मुझे लेना चाहिए था. But the controversy, I must say, that I said something and I would like to talk to people about this. That I said, Nomi and Sari, my boy, I love you. I didn't mean it in that way, what people thought, but normally people are coming up to me and saying, are you going out with Nomi and Sari? And I'm like, no,
he's
I'm
just my
not.
boy toy.
No, he's my best friend. I really, he's my best friend.
Yeah.
And plus, he's getting married now, so you know, congratulations to him.
Oh, fantastic. लेकिन तुबा एक चीज तो मॉडल से अटैच्ड होती है कि मॉडल going out, lots of boyfriends, and you know the glamour, you know everything is attached to it. तुबा उससे बहुत मुश्किल हो जाती है कभी काफ़ी, यानी जो कंजर्वेटिव सेक्टर है लोगों का, वो आपको उस तरह एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते. तो हैव यू एवर मेड एनी कॉन्शियस एफर्ट कि यार मुझे हर जगह से एक्सेप्ट है, क्योंकि देखो एक एक्टर बनने के लिए आपको सबको वो करना पड़ता है.
No, whenever you get a little fame, then you're in the spotlight or on the spotlight. But it's true because a lot of people are judging you, and it's really hard for people who get a little famous or who are celebrities in Pakistan कि वो बेचारी अपने personal life कहाँ रखें और जो उनकी work life है और जो their career is going on side by side. So it's very hard for them. मुश्किल हो जाता है.
तो लेकिन एक चीज़ मुझे अब तुमसे ये पूछनी है कि देखो in the modeling industry लड़कों का तो चलो बहुत ही एक लिमिटेड टेन्योर होता है. दे कम, दे डू 10 कमर्शियल्स, 50 शूट्स, दे गो नोवेयर. कोई मेल सुपर मॉडल इतना सुपर नहीं होता कि यू नो बिग इनफ टू बी अ सुपरस्टार अनलेस दे बिकम एक्टर्स और डू समथिंग एल्स. लेकिन विद इन मॉडलिंग इंडस्ट्री एरज इज लाइक द क्वीन, यू नो मॉडलिंग इटसेल्फ, उसके ऊपर विनी द क्वीन, दैट थिंग. तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोग हमें ये बताते हैं कि इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मेक योर ओन नेम. टेकिंग योर केस इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस, हमें पता चला वी वर टॉकिंग टू मारिया बी द अदर डे एंड लॉट्स ऑफ अदर पीपल. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन द इंडस्ट्री ट्राई टू सैबोटाज योर करियर व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड ऑफ. इज इट ट्रू?
It's not a lot of people, but yeah, few big ones, big fishes, I guess. Not tried, but somehow I came through a banner, and then you can say okay, those people just backed off. And then I had to make it on my own when I landed in Karachi, and there was no support. See, I'm not coming from an Athar Shahzad camp. I'm not coming from a Khabar Riaz camp. I didn't have no one there to back me up. कि नहीं ये सही है तुम इस पे चलो. Plus, as you all know, Tariq and me don't get along. So when we started off, Tariq was there, and then we didn't get along, and then we finished off.
अच्छा, we were talking to Tariq Amin the other day, you know, on the show only. तो Tariq ने कहा कि मैंने उनसे बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट सवाल ही पूछा था कि why you don't take tubas in your show, like tuba in your shows, right? So he goes like कि her work ethics, I do not agree with it.
Well,
What are your work ethics?
I guess maybe that's his point. Maybe a lot of people don't agree with his work ethics. So I guess
Tuba, what was the actual problem?
there was no actual. I think there was a misunderstanding, and that never got cleared out. So basically, I really don't want to talk about it after 7 years. So you know, Tariq, wherever you are, be happy. I don't care.
Like Tuba, but still, do you want to clear out the controversy? Because you know, after all,
I think it's too late.
After all, a lot of people still think that you were Tariq Amin's prodigy.
Yeah, he introduced me. I never refused that. He did introduce me. He got me in the field. He taught me a lot. But then again, I guess things don't work out in between people. So that was the reason हम लोगों का नहीं चला नहीं.
अच्छा, is that one of the reasons कि Priya अल्ताफ भी आपको shows में नहीं लेती?
शुरू में मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि ये रीज़न है, but then I guess Priya had her own issues and Priya doesn't take me in her shows and I don't care about that anymore, frankly, because I think Sheru, Imran, they do a lot of good shows and I'm in every show with Imran and Sheru, so I don't really care.
तो तुम्हें ये फर्क नहीं पड़ा कि यार Priya अल्ताफ, the so-called big wig,
all these so-called people over here, they can all go somewhere now because apparently I was the model of the year 2006, so I don't care. So I don't care anymore. So guys, chill.
लेकिन तुम्हें it's so difficult to make a name for yourself without all of them. ये बहुत really difficult क्योंकि हम लोग मारिया बी से बात कर रहे थे थोड़े दिन पहले शो में.
I really respect Maria because Maria was one of those people who really took my side.
मारिया ने हमें जो interesting incident ये बताया कि मारिया बी का कोई शो हो रहा था in Priya and Tarek. They forgot, they completely, what do you call it, they disagreed to take care of you. उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं जी.
She is going to be in the show, we're not going to do the show.
Yeah, but she was like, if she is not in the show, I'm not going to do it.
Exactly.
Maria B is such a darling.
I loved her because at that point, Aswar, it was the beginning of my career. मैं उस वक्त शुरू में आई थी and I didn't expect कि जी कोई इतना बड़ा designer मेरी side लेगा उस वक्त. And Maria is a sweetheart. I love her and I'm so thankful to her. I was like, I couldn't believe it. तो आंखों में आंसू थे. I was like, Maria, I'm nobody right now and why are you taking my side? And these are the people you'll be working with in future. And she's like, I don't care. This is my work and you've been my model and I want you to be in the show.
अच्छा, तुम्हें मुझे ये बताओ कि जब कभी ऐसा होता है कि देखो you have a lot of friends in the fashion industry.
Right.
सारी लड़कियां आपस में दोस्त हैं और apparently सारी दोस्त हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन एक चीज़ ये कि कभी ऐसा होता है कि सारी प्रिया के शो के लिए they're going to South Africa and Tuba is in Karachi.
You never know, Tuba might be going to London. So
have you ever thought of कि यार चलो it's high time, let's talk it out.
No, I don't think there's anything to talk about. I think Priya has probably issues with my height. She thinks that I'm too short, whereas I don't really have it. I don't think that's really the problem. I don't know. Maybe she doesn't want me in her shoes, or maybe she just doesn't like my guts. I don't know. There's something.
Oh my God, that's quite a statement.
It's, I guess.
तो भाई एक चीज़ मुझे ये बताओ, हम तुम्हें पिछले पूरे साल ट्रेस करते रहे to do spotlight with us, और तुम हमेशा ही कहती रही कि नहीं करना. उसके बाद एक और the model F, not Faiza, another model F, she came on the show. She was like कि तुम तो कभी नहीं आएगी. वो तो कहती है पता नहीं क्या पूछ रहा है. उसके बाद then we heard कि तुमने कहा कि यार अब मैं interviews बिल्कुल नहीं दूंगी. I'm not going to give interviews. I want to be away from the media. क्या था वो चक्कर? Why were you were you hibernating? Were you running away from the press?
No, I was kind of, but because I was so generally tired of giving the same interviews on and off. Honestly, because the year started right after modeling, right after the awards, and then I thought that I don't want to. So I was like, just leave it. So I kept on cutting everybody off. All the press. I was like, forget it. I don't want to give the interviews. How did I start off? How did I do this? Da, da, da. Because I think people are bored of it.
It's like, boring.
Yeah. I mean, अब ये देखो ना मसालेदार show. Asfar Rahman का. Yeah. So this is fun.
तो इस वजह से you were away.
Yeah, kind of because I was bored of it.
हमें जो काफ़ी लोगों ने कहा कि you were trying to get away from the media just because people wanted to know more about your film career.
Okay, yeah, that is also probably in the pipeline. I know that the film is going to be made someday, but right now it's not happening because there were a lot of problems with the financiers, producers. I don't know, and I feel really bad for myself. Seriously, I pity myself. I feel really bad. And Saqib, I really feel bad for him because it is his dream, and he really feels bad because वो जब एक चीज़ बन के नहीं दे रही है, वो कहीं से भी कोशिश कर ले, वो नहीं हो रहा because people keep on asking him and he doesn't have anything to say and he's like मैं क्या करूँ? So I guess this was the thing. That wasn't really the reason I was avoiding interviews or anything like that.
हमें अभी टॉक बैक पे बताया आपकी बातें सुन के कि एक डायरेक्टर है जिन्होंने मैडम दिहाड़ी बाज बनाई थी. He wants to take you in his next film. Would you do it?
Very smart, Asfar. No, I don't think so.
लेकिन तुम्हें एक चीज़ ये कि चलो it's good to keep a good banner in mind. या कि भाई एक अच्छी सारे कुछ. Are you in a similar way particular about your co-stars as well? कि who's opposite me?
Yes,
who's with
very.
me? Why? Why is that?
I don't know. I think that really matters. For some reason, I think I have to be opposite somebody who's a good actor first. I can't take I can't say this word on TV, but yeah, but no nonsense. And chemistry should be there because I'm a very serious actor. I get into the character. The person who's playing opposite me should be on the level.
Of the same wavelength.
Of the same
Completely.
Yeah.
ये तुम्हें काफी दफा इस तरह भी तो होता है कि you do a lot of projects for money.
होता है, बहुत सारे लोग करते हैं.
You're one of them.
I see, money is not really my priority. It's never been.
Are you
throughout my
serious?
career. Yeah, it's never been the priority. I really think कि काम अच्छा होना चाहिए. I believe in quality, not quantity.
At all.
At all. Have you ever seen any bad commercial I've done?
No.
Any bad commercial throughout the years? I'm very conscious about brands. I'm very conscious about these things. No bad commercials. No nothing. Big brands, good good money.
She's the first model who's actually telling us that she's very quality conscious. सारे तो पैसे बनाने में लग गए हैं आजकल.
Serious, मैंने कभी किसी डालडे के घी के डब्बे का ऐड नहीं किया. You know, I'm serious. मैंने कभी मेट्रो मिलन अगरबत्ती का ऐड नहीं किया.
खुदा के लिए. You hinting towards me?
You know.
Oh man, Tuba, that's mean,
But
यार.
I'm sure you got a lot of money for that.
Of course,
So then, that's what I'm saying.
यार नहीं, तुबा देखो एक डिफरेंट चीज़ ये भी होती है कि you have to keep a certain market in your mind. कि यार अपने किसको टारगेट करना है. ठीक है ना, मैं तो एक अवामी चीज़ हूँ यार. सब प्यार, सारे प्यार
तुम
करें.
कुछ भी कर सकते हो.
Can get away with murder.
Yeah.
लेकिन तुबा अभी recently found out you were in India, in Bombay for some commercial and all. How was the experience? कैसा
It
लगा?
was fantastic. I was doing an LG ka commercial. It was shot in Bombay. It was a lot of fun. Abrar was with me in it. It was Abrar's latest song. And it was fun. Little dance, little fun, masti. It was fun.
How was the entire environment there?
Fantastic.
People say people are very professional in India.
Actually, they are. Quite sad, but yes. I hate it, but yes, it is true. It's like a whole new concept of vanity vans and, you know, you feel like a star there.
वैसे तू मुझे एक बात सच ये बताओ कि देखो in this fashion industry, in the show business altogether, आपके चंद एक बड़े करीबी दोस्त बन जाते हैं. मैंने सुनीता से भी एक चीज़ पूछी थी, ठीक है, जिस तरह नोमी अंसारी is a really good friend of yours. अब being a designer, Nomi has certain, you know, somebody as a competition or a rival or an enemy. And what if that enemy approaches you to do a shoot? What do you do?
डिपेंड करता है कि वो कितना बड़ा दुश्मन है.
फंस गई तू बात.
नहीं.
फंस गई यहाँ पे.
No, honestly, I think this has never been an issue between me and Nomi or any of my friends because I think work is work. Seriously, and this is our work. I cannot tell anyone कि you know मेरी उससे नहीं बनती तो तुम उसके साथ काम करना छोड़ दो. या वो मुझे कहेगा कि मेरी उससे नहीं बनती तो मैं कहेंगे चुप. क्या मतलब?
ये तू बात कहती होगी यार नोमी मैंने उसका शूट तो कर लिया, इतने बुरे कपड़े थे.
वो अलग बात है. I can't make my friend feel bad for it, no? So
but you'll make your
नहीं,
friend feel
बहुत
good.
बुरे कपड़े थे Nomi, मैं इतने बता नहीं सकती. Yeah, you have to do that.
जबरदस्त. सुबह लेकिन जब कमर्शियल्स की बात आती है, you're saying कि कभी अभी नहीं करती. अगर मुझे एक बात ही बताओ, पैसा किसी की प्रायोरिटी नहीं होता नॉर्मली, लेकिन एट टाइम्स पैसा इतना ऑफर हो रहा हो तुम्हें अगर बहुत ही ज़्यादा, लाइक क्रेजी अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, एंड यू लाइक कि इतना पैसा, एंड दे आस्क यू टू डू सम सुपारी डैड.
ओके.
नस्वार का ऐड.
ओके, फिर मेरी अपनी टर्म्स और कंडीशंस होगी कि डायरेक्टर ये होना चाहिए, शुड बी शॉट ऑन 35 एंड ऑल दीस थिंग्स.
और उसमें तू क्या करेगी? नस्वार हाथ में के उड़ा रही होगी, है ना?
I guess.
And you know the guy opposite you would be getting all intoxicated.
Is there somebody approaching me by that commercial?
You never know.
No.
तुबा की जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज हमारे शो से बहुत बढ़ जाएंगी. Don't worry, तुबा. We'll get you a whole new system.
Yeah, you never know. They might as well take me sitting in that chair next time. Spotlight
my-
with Tuba Siddiqui.
It's getting kind of dangerous. I thought we were talking to BG the other day, the famous designer from Lahore. तो हमने उनसे ऐसे पूछा कि भाई जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की ख़वातीन होती हैं, दे प्रिटी एडवांस, यानी लोग ये समझते हैं कि निजी महफिल का एक कल्चर होता है. एक काफ़ी लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि जिसमें सच्चाई नहीं है कि यू नो दे कम फ्रॉम द शाही मोहल्ला एंड यू नो ऑल ऑफ द स्टफ. तो बीजी ने कहा कि देखें जो फिल्म एक्ट्रेसेस करती हैं वही चीज़ें तो मॉडल्स भी करती हैं. तो आप बेचारी फिल्म एक्ट्रेसों के पीछे क्यों पड़ के? रेशम 5 बजे नमाज़ पढ़ी होती है, आपने कभी इन्हें नमाज़ें पढ़ते हुए देखा?
नहीं, I guess बीजी फिर सही कह रही होंगी. I don't know. See, everywhere there are bad people and they're good people, but we can't judge them. That's their own thing.
लेकिन तुबा on a personal note what I feel कि देखें आप पर्सनल लाइफ में आप शाही मोहल्ले से हो, लेकिन अगर आप अच्छे इंसान हैं तो दैट्स बेटर. क्योंकि आई नो लॉट ऑफ पीपल, यू नो एंड आई नो, इतने बड़े बड़े लोग जो कि बहुत दावे करते हैं, दे वर ट्राइंग टू sabotage your career. Was that being nice or sleeping with somebody is bad? See, are you getting my point? एक चीज़ तो वही हो जाती है ना यार, आपको एक इंसान के लिए बेहतर होना चाहिए. तो कभी ऐसा भी होता है एक शो से पहले some girl comes up to you कि नहीं तू अच्छी नहीं लग रही यार.
तो मैं आगे से क्या रिस्पॉन्स दे? अच्छा, well, you know, if I think I'm not looking nice on the show, yeah, you know, the makeup is not right, the clothes I'm wearing are not nice, तो I totally change. मेरे मुंह पे कभी नहीं आता, मैं automatically I have a big smile on my face, so that all the attention goes on my smile, and nobody's looking at what I'm doing or what I'm wearing or how am I looking. So if you see me walking on the ramp, if I'm not looking nice, you'll see a big smile on my face. Yeah, it's like that. I do that.
Tuba, a lot of people still believe that, you know, the world of fashion is very fake and it's very superficial. People bitch behind their back. Everybody's
And
bad.
wherever there are beauties, there are bitches.
You know, there was a model here. We interviewed Model F.
I
She's
don't know
like Tuba
any
the
model.
monster.
Oh really? There is a model called F?
You're questioning her existence.
Seriously, I don't know what you're talking about.
देखिए तुबा, चलो तुम फिल्म भी कर लोगी, you'll become a film star. उसके बाद what after that? एक stagnance, क्योंकि one thing that I know of you, about you is कि you always want something new in your life.
Yeah.
हमेशा
I'm
से.
always looking for something.
Something new,
Yeah.
exactly. What's your birth sign?
I'm a Leo, August 7th.
Oh, the lion. See, the lion hunts, then moves on to another area, hunts something new.
Bilkul.
So what are you hunting these days?
Okay, that's well, hunting for good projects.
हाँ?
Hunting for good projects, I guess.
Acting projects. हैं
Acting
ना?
projects.
तो अच्छा, जब तुमने एक्टिंग शुरू की थी, कितने सालों का एक्टिंग करते हो?
3-4 साल.
Do you think you've grown as an actor?
Yeah, I have.
And you want to prove that you are a serious actor?
Yeah, of course, because I'm very, very serious about this work. I really like acting. I want to go and explore more, and you know, it's all that.
तो जब आप एक्टिंग करते हैं तो कभी तुमने ये सोचा है कि शबाना आज़मी की फिल्में देखना शुरू हो गई हो, या रेखा की फिल्में देख रही हो और एक्सप्रेशन नोट कर रही हो, या यू ट्राई टू डेवलप इट विद इन योरसेल्फ?
नहीं, I would be very honest. सब कुछ you can't develop because I don't think that I've gotten to that stage of acting कि मैं खुद से एक character बनाना शुरू कर दूँ. I have my vision, but also some actors inspire me, and I do हल्का फुल्का कभी कुछ मुझे किसी का expression अच्छा लगा, so I will pick it up. I'll remember it. Dialogue delivery is very important for an actor. So I guess
बहुत
that
different तरीके से बोलते हैं.
हाँ, तो वो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. I like
to observe and all.
Yeah, I like observing actors.
तो गाने किस तरह के पसंद है? What kind of music you like?
All sorts of music. It depends on my mood, really. It depends on my mood. Pakistan mein se if you're asking, I like listening to Ali Asmat.
You mean The Rock? Tuba, tell me one thing. When it comes to models and actors, do you think this thing is inborn, or it's a science you can learn it and develop it? क्योंकि एक चीज़ ये है कि since day one तुबा ने अपने जो initial शुरू के जब दिन थे, तो मैंने तुबा के साथ एक ऐड किया था और वो 3 दिन का कोई ऐड था, and we were practically living together. हम 4-6 लोग जो साथ में थे, तो तुबा के अंदर अभी जो आप देख रहे हैं ये this style was always there. Like you know, you've been like this since always.
Yeah.
तो what do you think, ये जो science है ये आप सीख सकते हैं या ये आपके अंदर ही होती है?
I think it's a bit of both. Because if it's in you, then you'll obviously get into the field and you want to do something like that. But then also, while you're growing into that, you want to adopt different things from different people or various things. So I guess you have to groom yourself. एक तो चीज़ होती है ना कि हाँ मैंने मॉडल बनना है, मैंने एक्ट्रेस बनना है, बड़े होके मैंने टीवी पे आना है. You get there and then what? Then you don't do anything? No, you learn and learn till you get somewhere. That's what you do.
Now it's time to be honest, right?
Okay.
Do you have some problem with model Fawzia?
Who?
Model Fawzia.
Who's that?
She's a model?
Acha, I'm sorry, I didn't know.
You don't know Fawzia?
No. Is she a new girl? I don't know.
She's been there for what, 2-3 years, man?
अच्छा, I'm sorry, I don't know any girl called Fawzia in the
लेकिन तुम्हारा हमारी जो फैशन गुरुज हैं, you know, certain they classify models, A grade की मॉडल,
Yeah.
C grade की मॉडल और B grade की मॉडल. भाई तुम कौन होते हो क्लासिफाई करने वाले?
उनकी भी अपनी कैटेगरीज है ना, I guess.
So the C class calls A class the C class.
I guess. There is a, I don't know, there is an A class model category, then there is a B class model category. I don't know, maybe you can differentiate between how much the A class category charges or the B class category does. That's probably the payment issue or whatever. There are a lot of models. A class category models are all famous, doing good work, getting good money. B class models are just there.
And work for free.
I don't know about that, but yeah, maybe.
अगर ये आपको चॉइस दी जाए कि you know चलो we'll design a guy for you. क्या-क्या चीज़ें इसमें होनी चाहिए?
अच्छा, पहले हम looks पे बात कर लें. Then we'll go to the bank balance side.
Yeah. All right.
No, I don't know. You see, the person has to be nice and compatibility should be
Oh
there.
please,
and all
ये
this.
सब होती है और
तो
physically.
फिर physically, अच्छा you physically, yeah, okay, 5'11", tall, dark. I don't like Gora guys. And
What?
yeah,
Don't say this, man.
I mean, I'm not talking about you, Aspa. No, you've got a little wheatish complexion, so you're okay.
Alright.
You're on my list. ठीक
Oh.
है, चलो.
हाँ फिर और?
और उसे चाहिए कि वो एक स्पॉटलाइट का प्रोग्राम करे.
Oh
सिर्फ
fantastic.
फेस बस हो, you know, he should be a star and all.
बैंक बैलेंस तो फिर नहीं है ना.
कोई बात नहीं, आ जाएगा.
जबरदस्त. तुबा, you're fantastic. Tuba, have you ever thought of hosting any show?
No, I don't think I can.
Why?
I just don't know. I see. It's already difficult for me to answer questions. And imagine if I have to think of questions and asking people that. I don't know.
Is it, चलो तुबा, now it's time for the tricky segment of the program. सही है ना? तो उसमें हम तुबा से कुछ ऐसे सवाल करेंगे जो कि तुबा ने बिल्कुल ऑनेस्टली जवाब देना है, लेकिन तुबा the answer should be very quick.
Okay.
No तकरीर, only quick.
ठीक है.
Quick answers. ठीक है. One model who's actually helped you out in the field of modeling since day one.
Nobody.
Nobody at all?
None.
What do you think of Free Altaf? Explain in one word.
Overrated.
Tariq Amin.
Pass.
Model Fawzia.
Who?
Sunita Marshall.
Friend.
Oh, ZQ.
Friend.
Oh, Vinny.
Supermodel.
Oh, supermodel. You think she's more than a friend? Like she's more of a supermodel than a
She's,
friend?
yeah, I mean, I know Winnie, but we're not really great friends, but we're good friends. But supermodel man.
Oh, Iraj.
Supermodel.
Veena Malik. She's doing a film with you.
She was, but
she
Veena
still
Malik.
is?
I don't know. Botox.
Botox? Oh my god. Film star Nirma.
Evening gowns.
Oh, and good ones.
Well,
Revealing ones.
revealing ones.
Not bad. Faiza, the new girl.
Talented.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah.
Abid Salim, the photographer.
Talented.
It's the
Again.
soch ke.
Yeah, as in he's been there for since a long time. so
Iman Ali,
Beautiful.
one actress you actually consider competition.
Actress. My age league or my league? Iman.
Iman Ali.
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. Lifestyle Awards means a lot to you, right?
Yes, it did.
Not anymore?
Not anymore.
Oh man, they'll never give it to you again and you wouldn't care, bless.
No, I would care, but then I don't think I would deserve it this year because I didn't really work a lot on modeling this year.
One person you hardly want to slap.
Hardly want to
Slap.
slap. No one.
Oh, nobody's that important.
Yeah, no one is that.
Who was the last person who actually made you really happy?
My brother.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah.
How does it feel to be in the spotlight?
Fantastic. Asfar, fantastic.
Hats off to you, Tuba. Thank you so much for being here. I had a very good time talking to you.
I did.
और एक इतने मजे की बात है कि Tuba is representing the youth here. She's like the young girl with an award and great dreams, and you know, mashallah, she's achieving all of them. Tuba, wish you all the best. अपना खूब ख्याल रखिएगा and keep loving me. Take care of yourselves. खुदा हाफिज.